Hello and welcome to the TaxTron web tutorial video series. In this video I will be going over how to use the Autofill feature as a Netfile user. Autofill My Return is a secure service provided by the Canada Revenue Agency, allowing individuals to automatically fill in parts of an income tax return. Before we get started, there are a few requirements to use this service. You will need to have a registered MyCRA account with the CRA and be using a Netfile certified software. Let's start by logging into your TaxTron web account. Once you're logged in, open a new return, and before we proceed, make sure you've filled out the personal information section under identification. Once that's done, look for the Autofill My Return option, or simply click Next and select Yes to confirm you want to use the autofill feature. When you are asked if you have an CRA My account, you will want to confirm this also. Click on Next and then select the Take Me to CRA Website button. A pop-up window will appear, redirecting you to the My CRA login page. Choose your preferred login method, enter your username and password, and you'll see a list of SIN numbers for which you are requesting information. Confirm the SIN numbers and click Next to proceed. Once the data is loaded, the window will close, and you'll see a list of tax slips and other client information imported from CRA. Now you can choose the information you want TaxTron to autofill or click Select All to fill in all the relevant details automatically. Please note that the Autofill My Return service delivers all available information at the time of the request. However, if some information is not yet received by the CRA, it might not be available for autofill. After selecting your desired information, click Autofill My Return, and a confirmation window will pop up in TaxTron Web. Click OK to close the box, and then scroll down to find the autofill report. It provides a summary of essential tax information for each taxpayer. A quick note: if you have many T5008, T3, and T5 forms with CRA, you'll see a blue banner at the bottom. You can download a consolidated Excel file with specific form details from here. Now, let's verify the autofill entries. Navigate to the Income section and click on the T4 slip. You'll notice yellow boxes in the form. These yellow boxes indicate that TaxTron has automatically filled in the fields for you. That's it. Using the autofill feature in TaxTron Web streamlines the tax filing process and saves you time in preparing your tax return. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.